Hello students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is area perimeter of a plane figure. Chapter 20. So what is the plane figure? So triangle, square, rectangle all lies in a plane. That means these are called the plane figure. That means two-dimensional figure. There have only length and breadth. There is no height. Here this is called two-dimensional figure or plane figure. So first plane figure is given here, a triangle. So how to find out the perimeter of the triangle? Suppose length of each side, length of the side of the triangle be ABC. Then the perimeter of the triangle will be A plus B plus C, sum of the sides. Now how to find out the height, how to find out the area of the triangle? For finding the area of the triangle, you have to know the base of the triangle and the height of the triangle. If you know about the base and height of the triangle, then you can find out the easily area of the triangle. What is the formula? Area is equal to half into base into height. This is the basic formula of finding the area of a triangle. Now, if scalene triangle is given, suppose what is the meaning of scalene triangle? There is all sides are unequal. So if the sides are given here A, B, C, you don't know about the height. So how you will find out the area of this triangle, this type of triangle? You have to use here Heron formula, that is root over s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So what is s? S means half of the perimeter. That means s is equal to half into a plus b plus c. A plus b plus c is the perimeter of the triangle. So if you multiply half with this, you will get s. Here just put the value here, you will get the answer. This is called also Heron formula. Now go to next special type of triangle, that is equilateral triangle. So this is equilateral triangle whose all sides are A. So how to find out the perimeter of this equilateral triangle? Just add the sides. That means you will get here 3A, A plus A plus A. And how to find out the area of this type of triangle? Area is equal to root 3 by 4 into side square. So each side is given here A, so A square. Suppose each side is given here 4, just put here the value 4, then you will get the answer. Now go to next special type of triangle, that is right angle triangle. So this is a right angle triangle ABC, and the base is here, suppose A, height is here H, and hypotenuse is here, suppose B. So how to find out the area of this type of triangle? You already know that if base and height are given in a triangle, you can use this formula, half into base into height. So you can use here for finding the area, half into base. Base is here A and height is here given H. So in a right angle triangle, you can use here this formula. Now go to our exercise. Exercise number 20A. So question number 2 is given here. The lengths of a sides of a triangles are given here in the ratio 3:4:5. Find the area of the triangle whose perimeter is given here 144 semi. So ratio of the sides are given right here. Ratio of the sides is equal to 3:4:5. Let the length of the side be of the side are 3x, 4x and 5x. Clear? So here condition is given the perimeter. Perimeter is given here 144. So right here, according to question, if we add them, that means 3x. These are the sides of the triangle. 3x plus 4x plus 5x is equal to 144. Now just add the numbers. We will get here 5 plus 4, that is 9. 9 plus 3, that is 12. 12x is equal to 144. If you divide the numbers by 12, you will get here 12. So x is equal to 12 semi. So just put the values here, you will get the answer. So the sides are 3 into 12. This will be 36, and 4 into 12, that is 48 semi, and 5 into 12, that is 60 semi. Now from here you have to find out the area of the triangle. So how to find out the area? Look, this is a right angle triangle form. Why? Because if you do the hypotenuse square, hypotenuse is given here, the bigger side 60 square is equal to 36 square plus 48 square. So that means this is a right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle you can use here which formula? Half into base into height. So half into base is here without this hypotenuse. One is base, another one is height. That means 3x is base. Suppose 3x is a base and 4x is height. That means 36 is base and 48 is height. Why we can use here this formula? Because this is a right angle triangle form. Otherwise you can use their general formula of a scalene triangle, because all sides are given here. So this number will be cancelled out. This will be 18 happen. Now if you multiply 48 and 18, eight 1 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4. We will get here 4, 8 8 16. 1 is carry here, 864. This much square semi. So why square semi it is? Because this is a plane figure or two-dimensional space. Whenever we find out the volume, that time it will be cubic semi happen. So whenever we find out the length of anything, that time semi happen. Clear? That means whenever we are finding the length of anything, that time centimeter happen. Whenever we are finding the area of anything, that time square semi happen. And whenever we are finding the volume, that time cubic semi happen. Here and semi, meter, these are different. by the given length. Thank you everyone.